Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Forest Act 2023. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Mizoram Assembly unanimously passed a resolution opposing the Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023. The move aimed to protect the rights and interests of the people of Mizoram. Now let's discuss about Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023. The Act's name was changed to Van Sanrakshan Evam Samvardhan Adhiniyam 1980 to reflect the potential of its provisions. It aims to ensure that areas contribute to India's efforts in combating climate change by being recognized as part of its forest conservation efforts and contribute to India's international commitments like net zero emission by 2070. As per this act, only those lands that were notified as forest under the Indian Forest Act 1927, other relevant laws, or were recorded as forest in government records will be acknowledged as forest. Lands within 100 km of the national border are exempted from having to obtain permissions to clear forest to construct strategic linear projects of national importance. This includes projects of national security, roadside amenities, and public roads. The Act permits non-forest activities such as running zoos and ecotourism facilities on forest lands. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs had raised concerns about the amendment's effect on community rights granted by the previous Forest Rights Act. Now let's understand why Mizoram Assembly passed a resolution. The bill excludes some of India's most fragile ecosystems as it removes the need for forest clearances for security-related infrastructure up to 100 km of the international borders. Most of India's northeast falls in this 100 km range, and these include globally recognized biodiversity hotspots such as the forest of the northeastern India. Article 371G for Mizoram prohibits the application of any law enacted by Parliament that impinges on Mizo customary law and procedure and ownership and transfer of land and its resources. Such laws can be extended to these states only if their legislative assemblies decide thus in a resolution. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Forest Act 2023. 1. Lands within 100 km of the national border are exempted from having to obtain permissions to clear forest to construct strategic linear projects of national importance. 2. The Act permits non-forest activities such as running zoos and ecotourism facilities on forest lands. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.